Welcome back to another video, guys. We've got an exciting one today. It's not my Type R up on the lift. It is a customer SI that is here. Essentially, he ordered a thermal R&D exhaust, and this is one of those exhausts that has been so popularized online as one of the best sounding exhausts for the platform that the moment the order came through, we said, hey, bring your car by. We'll do the install over here because not only do we want to hear it, but we also want to get some content about this exhaust and see if it lives up to the hype as one of the cleanest sounding exhausts for the platform. So let's check it out. Starts off with its full 3-inch all the way to a middle resonator. Then you get the split white pipe that goes over to two pretty large mufflers at the back and some polished rolled tips over here. So the ingredients look good. Oh, by the way, this is a slip joint exhaust, but the piping of the exhaust isn't slip joint. The clamps are slip joint. So this is a new one for us. It should make the installs a lot easier because sometimes slip joint on the exhaust piping itself can be a little hard to manage, but with the clamp, you have the ability to kind of squeeze and enlarge as you wish. So this is a first for us. If you're going to do slip joints, and hopefully after the install, we feel that this is the right way to do slip joints. Otherwise, we always prefer flange exhausts. They just mate better together. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and take that stock chintzy exhaust off and slap on the thermal R&D.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
He's a happy man. Alright, so we're just out for a little boot as usual after doing an install, and so far 100% we can agree that this is one of the cleanest sounding exhausts for the platform. It's not too loud, more mature, kind of just muted sound, so I'll let the exhaust do the talking. Of course, I'm sitting in the back because we got Norris, the owner of this SI, with us.